Just hit a really pretty area again. Not sure how much I'll be able to get turning my head here. This guy slowed up to let me go by. I'm going at a decent pace, but not severe or anything. A couple of days ago I was really getting into some of these turns, but just kind of enjoying the nice twisty kind of cruising back and forth. I mean, I'm still doing, I don't know, about 90 miles an hour, I guess. A little tighter turn. Those are kilometers, of course, which would be somewhere about 50 miles per hour. We're at 115 kilometers. Just gorgeous. Makes me nervous when a lot of cars are oncoming. You never know if there's one idiot with his nose poked out seeing if he can get around. I've seen a few of those. Had to swerve back in and get away from them. Okay, we'll give it just to the other side here, see if there's any more views, and then I'll shout her down if there isn't. Well, might be. Everything you see me doing here, this is what the roads have been like for the last, when did we leave Italy? Friday morning, and it's Tuesday. So it's what I've been riding constantly. Nothing straight. It's fantastic. Past this and we'll get a nice view, and then I'll call it a little session. Past one, I got another. These should be a little bit easier. Well, not them though.